Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to cut this. This has been on since the winter, and I put the guttering up yesterday. So what I'm doing now is, I just tried it at the beginning. I've just cut through this bit here, as you can see. I've got my permanent marker. It isn't like this is on a house or anything. It doesn't have to be exactly right, but I want it to look reasonably neat. So what I've done, here's my permanent marker. Use this piece of wood, this clothes pole, just to keep the clothesline up in the air, just to get a rough line. If you can see this down here, just see it there. I'll just line it up there, looking back there, because I'm just trying to save all this water from going down there once it's in the gutter, and then I can get it away, move it out a little bit. So yeah, that is both ends done. I don't know if you see this, but I've had to rig this up because I tried putting my tripod on the roof, and with the vibration of cutting it keeps falling off, so not a good thing. So I've just set this up, so hopefully it should be okay. So I'll just finish off marking it out. So that's that marked out now. So what we're going to be doing next is using this. Now I've put the adapter in just to cut through it. So it might take a little bit of time this. Right, well that's that finished now. My camera, for some reason, stopped recording halfway through, but you can just see that. Let's get this out of the way. It's not bad. This end needs a little bit more cutting off it, just to get it level. Yeah, it goes out about an inch here, doesn't it? So yeah, I need to cut that a little bit back. But yeah, not bad at all that. I shall get bit of flame on that just to seal them edges. It has cracked it in a couple of places, but I think that's because it's been up for like over a year now, so it tends to go a little bit brittle when it's been out and about. But yeah, that's how to cut perspex using a circular saw. So yeah, if you've got any questions that you to ask, folks, if you like the videos, please subscribe, and remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.